I'm Sharon.
And I'm Jeff.
Come along as we have adventured today
At the Breaks Interstate Park on the Virginia-Kentucky border near Haysi, Virginia. On Valentine's Day.
Breaks Interstate Park was established in 1954 and is located on the Virginia-Kentucky border between Haysi, Virginia and Elkhorn City, Kentucky. The park is one of 3 interstate parks in the United States and is under the direction of the Breaks Interstate Park Commission, with representatives from both Virginia and Kentucky state parks. The park encompasses 4,500 acres of land nestled geologically within the Cumberland Mountain Overthrust Block. The centerpiece of this park is the deeply cut chasm through Pine Mountain, carved by the raging waters of the southward flowing Russell Fork. At 5 miles long and ranging from 1,000 to 2,200 feet deep, this is the largest canyon in the United States east of the Mississippi River, hence the park's nickname, the Grand Canyon of the South. Bird watching can be spectacular year-round, especially during migration. Trails which meander through mature forest and rhododendron thickets produce a variety of migratory neotropical birds in both spring and fall. The many overlooks within this park produce optimal views of hawks during the fall migration. During the summers, this park is home to a large number of nesting neotropical songbirds. Watch closely in this video as we capture a hawk floating on the wind updraft. The Chafin Conference Center is the site of various meeting spaces, a gift shop, and the Rhododendron Restaurant. The gift shop features a variety of souvenir items, apparel, and locally sourced items such as the Bates Family Farms, goat's milk, lotions, soap, body butter, and other products. These are made in Southwest Virginia and is a veteran-owned business. The shop also features a children's area where you see Jeff testing some items out. We picked up several gifts for our great nephews while we were there. Who you're calling?
Oh, there you are.
want to try the mining hat?
Oh, small.
Perfect.
We've been to the Breaks many times. On this visit, we enjoyed getting outdoors and visited specifically for the Valentine's Day events. The park offered several packages, including dinner, lodging, and elk tours. We opted for the dinner package and enjoyed a good meal at the Rhododendron restaurant. In addition to the food, the restaurant offers a spectacular view from the dining room. Here for the Valentine's Day dinner or Valentine's evening dinner. There was an option for some elk tour, which we did not do today, but there were 2 seatings. We did the 5 or multiple seatings, I guess, but the elk tours dinners were a little bit later. They're out and about looking at the elk now. A little ways from here, we saw several deer before dinner, but we've got our salads and order's been taken, so looking pretty good.
So what he's referring to is they have elk tours here because we're in the Virginia elk area, and that was an area where elk were repopulated several years back into the coalfield counties of Virginia, and so they do tours here from the park, which it comes with a dinner salad, and then I ordered the prime rib, mashed potatoes, asparagus, and what did you order?
I had of course, the house salad, the grilled chicken breast, mashed potatoes, green beans, and a strawberry shortcake to top it off.
Yeah, I've got the chocolate lava.
Like a lava, right.
So we'll probably try each other's dessert.
Yeah, but I didn't want one of 2 of the same thing. So, to dig in.
Sure, that's good.
Well, the food came out very quickly, actually, before we got our salads finished. But with it being a price fixed menu, one would hope it would come out pretty quick. But it did come out very quick, and say that or not, the serving sizes are pretty good. Got my mashed potatoes, green beans, and my chicken breast, and you got a nice big chunk of prime rib there.
I did. Just
That's looking pretty good. Good little amount of asparagus there as well. So, looking good.
and the salads maybe looked small, but that was kind of a deep salad dish, and
It's a good. It was a nice size for starting.
it was.
Right.
And what I really enjoyed about it was a homemade ranch dressing. That was
Dressing wasn't good.
dressing.
The rest of the dish was very good.
On a ranch connoisseur or a ranch snob, I like some good ranch dressing, so
Right.
it was good. So let's dig into our food. Try and check. So Jeff, how was your main meal?
Very good. Good portions, like you said before. The green beans were seasoned a little bit, not overpowering one way or the other. Chicken was good with the Italian dressing marinade on it, and mashed potatoes were mashed potatoes. They were good. Nothing exciting one way or the other on that, but overall good meal. Surface has been quick. How was your prime rib?
It was good. It was good. I did get some au jus to go with it, and so that was good.
Happy girl, then.
Yes,
Happier girl.
happier girl. Yeah. I'm stuffed girl right now, but we have a couple things here to
Yeah, finish off with.
finish off with. This is the chocolate lava cake.
Easy there.
Yeah, I got it. I'm not gonna dump it out.
All right.
Famous last words.
All right. And to might just have the repeat, I got a strawberry shortcake, and I'll try not to pour the sauce out on the table here, but both look pretty good. Yeah, pushing your luck there. Push the luck.
Yeah, my ice cream went floating off.
Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Oh, looks good
Yeah, it should be pretty good.
there.
It
So
does look good. I think we're probably gonna share, aren't we?
maybe.
Maybe it's
Maybe.
but that's okay. I'm fine if you don't share.
Let's see here.
You didn't like this.
No. That's some good strawberry. Really surprisingly good strawberry, actually, for February.
So the chocolate lava cake is very, very, like it's almost molten, not moist in the middle. I guess
Like lava.
like lava. Yeah.
Gee.
And it's hot.
Yeah, like lava.
Yeah.
Gee. What's it called? A lava cake.
Of course. Here, try that. I'll try the strawberry.
That is good.
I was starting to say, well, strawberry's good. Mine's gooder.
Very chocolate.
Did you hear me? I said it was gooder.
Gooder.
Yeah, mine's gooder.
I'll let you have your gooder stuff back here.
Well, I might give you another bite, but it's really good.
I got a couple. The strawberries are quite good.
But it is. That's good strawberry. Perfect.
Yeah. Chasing around here.
We'll finish up our desserts here, and then we'll be headed out.
Headed back. And hopefully avoid any elk on a dark roadway.
Yes, because we are going to be driving through the elk area on the way back.
But it might be light enough if they settle down for the evening, maybe.
Hopefully.
That's how we do that. So.
And we'll have to watch for deer too. How many deer will we count out in the park?
Oh gosh, about 10, I think. I think they're paid performers actually.
But you think so?
Yeah, they didn't get too excited with us looking at them pretty closely, but
they were friendly deer.
They were. Right there. So we'll finish up and then be on the way.
That's right, and thank you all for joining us for Valentine's Day.
Yep. Happy Valentine's Day. Breaks Interstate Park is a year-round destination and has plenty to offer in all 4 seasons. Visitors can experience the beauty and tranquility of nature while enjoying a wide range of recreational activities. Breaks Interstate Park is a full-service park with camping areas ranging from primitive sites to RV hookups. Lodging facilities include 2 types of cabins and recently renovated lodge rooms, a conference center and restaurant, gift shop, amphitheater, picnic shelters, and 13 miles of hiking trails with numerous spectacular overlooks, a few of which we highlight in this video, are among the amenities available. In the summer, visitors can enjoy the water park and pool. Other popular activities include paddle boating on the lake, fishing, and the thrilling canyon rim zipline experience. Visitors can learn about the area's rich heritage through visitor center exhibits and ranger-led programs. The park also offers seasonal tours in Virginia's elk restoration zone. The adventures at Breaks Interstate Park are endless.